Bullish Chiliz, CHZ. Cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.65613 and $1.24 by 2030. Market examiners accept CHZ could reach $0.510699 by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.116731. Chiliz, CHZ. Presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and president of Chiliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Before sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the customary games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's online business store. What is Chiliz, CHZ? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on giving fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices, and furthermore offers compensations for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is right now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz, CHZ. Essential investigation. Chiliz is a cryptographic money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, FTOs, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally takes into consideration quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, is gotten from its utility 4 of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Chiliz, CHZ. Current cost. Chiliz is as of now worth $0.145913 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 0.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $61,450,377. Chiliz is as of now position 55 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $940,632,851 United States dollars. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Chiliz, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Chiliz, CHZ. Value forecast 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, CHZ. The CHZ cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.218870. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.204278 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. CHC is supposed to have a base worth of $0.175096. Chiliz, CHC. Value expectation 2024. In 2024, Chiliz CHC cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHC will before long outperform $0.364783. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the CHC's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CHC will exchange. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.466922 and a low of $0.437739 in 2025. Chiliz, CHC. Value forecast 2026. Assuming that Chiliz effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.656609 with a base cost of $0.583652 and a typical cost of $0.612835. Chiliz, CHC. Value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.758748 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.729565 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHC has a most extreme value worth of $0.802522. Chiliz, CHC. Value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.904661. In the event that CHC figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.948435, neglecting to accumulate the help CHC needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $0.875479. Chiliz, CHC. Value expectation 2029. While CHC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.02 and a yearly cost close above $1.09 in 2029. Chiliz, CHC. Value forecast 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.17 and possibly arrive at a most extreme